Hey, what's up you guys, it's me Nevaeha, so welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing AirPods. So I'm pretty sure you guys know these are like a trend right now and everyone is like bullying them back in 2 years ago when they were just released. Now they're like a big trend for some reason. And apparently they're like really good, and my mom surprised me with them today, so I decided to do an unboxing, and this was perfect because I've been wanting to film a video today but I didn't know what to film. So first, before I get started into the video, I just want to say excuse my appearance. This was like last minute. I just want to make sure I look a little bit decent. But yeah guys, today we're going to be unboxing them, see how fast they pair in person, you know, put the sound test to the test. Okay, so before I get any further into this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe below if you haven't already, and let's hop right into the video. Okay guys, these are the AirPods. Excuse my nails by the way, but we're gonna do like how they do like in the videos. Oh. And you get the little like AirPods things. I low-key might actually use this, to be honest with you. Like, I'm really slow sometimes. I wish they came with Apple stickers. Obviously, like the AirPod charging case. That's what it looks like. I think it comes with, yes, it comes with a charging cable. Sadly, it doesn't come with a block. Actually open. Oh, that's actually really satisfying. I love the feeling. There they are. Oh my god. Oh, I'm already. Oh my god. I could do that all day. Let me fix you guys back up here. Oh, ugh. Sorry about that. Okay, this is a little more zoomed in than my last clip, but sorry if it makes you uncomfortable. So I'm about to like see how stupid I look with them in my ears. So it has the little white. Bro, that connected extra quick. That's so cool. Connecting. Oh my god, the AirPods themselves are on 90% and the charging case is on 79%. Dude, do I look stupid or what? Shoot, here, I'm gonna take my earrings out. Bruh, I look stupid. I look stupid, but I look cool. I'm gonna test the sound. Just play Ariana Grande Thinking About You. Let's go to the beat, like the drop. Bro, that's really clear. So right now I'm about to play 8D music. If you've never heard 8D music, it's like music that's like super clear and really good. And it sounded really good on my regular headphones, so I'm really excited to see how it sounds with this. This song is so sad. It sounds like music is walking around my brain. It like gives me tingles. Oh my god, I can't. It's like too good. That's like too good. Like, it's making me uncomfortable how good it is. One last test is the, like, I know they're like, they don't fall out like other skits, so let's put that to the test. Do that. This one falls out. Oh, I landed right in my hand. Oh, I forgot when one falls out. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe below if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.